Hey there, it's April 8th, 2024, and here's your Rogue Traders Oglow trading summary. Now, we've had a bit of action today. Monday morning, woke up, markets were strong. They continue to be strong all day. It's, what time is it? It's about 3:30 in the afternoon here, Central European time. Another hour until the U.S. market opens up. So we're kind of holding near, the day's highs. It came off a little bit. But we're going to see what happens when the U.S. wakes up. So normally I make this summary video after the U.S. Not always, just depends what I have going on. But let's take a quick look at the charts and just see what's happening. And I'll tell you a little bit about some of the positions we took today and some of the adjustments that we made. All right, so here we can see we had this big move up. Each one of these candles is 1 hour. So it's pretty significant. That's a pretty sizable move. Almost 5% in total. Pretty big to happen over the course of 3 or 4 hours. But we've come off a little bit. And again, we're about an hour away from the U.S. opening. As we're coming up, pushing through here, I was very happy to sell calls starting at 73 up to 75 because I had a ton of cover in place. And these are short-dated calls expiring tomorrow. So they're looking pretty good at the moment. We'll see if I have to adjust to my will. Again, I have a ton of cover, so I wasn't too worried about it. All our accounts, synth miner accounts, any accounts that focus on selling puts, put spreads are all obviously doing fantastically well. Today, I think our synth miner account is at 178% annualized return. I have to double check that number, but I think it's pretty close to that. Other accounts, maybe there were some short calls in the way. We adjusted those out. We're not jumping for joy just yet. And why? Well, look, last few weeks, we've kept hitting our head right around here. So we just poked our head above it. Now, will this possibly turn into support? Maybe. Look, here's the all-time high right here, right? So we're just off of all-time highs. Maybe the U.S. gets up and boom, we go to the moon. Could happen, right? Just a good chance we pull back down here closer to 70, 69, 71. Who knows? So I think we just need to take it as it comes. If it does break above the previous highs around 73, 73 and a half, then I think we're just going to continue up. And I wouldn't be surprised to see high 70s or even maybe somewhere in the low 80s by next week. Anything's possible, certainly by the end of the month. But I would start to expect a lot more volatility. We can see volatility has really been rising all day long, and it's currently 79.5%, up from about 74 this morning when I got up around there. So that's quite a lot. And as an option buyer or seller, you're really going to notice that difference in the premium of the options prices. Or if you needed to buy options today, whether it was calls or puts, you're going to notice inflation of those premium prices. So that's it for the summary today. We're just going to sit tight, wait and see what the U.S. does, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Hey, and thanks for watching our daily summary video. For those of you who want to learn more, I would invite you to come and watch the full videos. These full videos are where Richard and I sit down every day, sometimes multiple times per day. We discuss the market, the metrics, our account, everything you can possibly imagine, and we execute the trades in real time. You get to see it all. Where else could you see professional fund traders do this in an account specifically set up for you, the viewer, to learn all the tips and tactics we've learned over the last 50 years combined? Now, this is for silver members and above. If you go to Roguetrader.academy, silver members and above get access to this live stream every day, as well as the recordings. On top of that, there's a weekly Ask Me Anything call. And as the name implies, you can ask us anything. Plus, you get access to all of our courses. We put out a new course every 3 or 4 months approximately. Plus, you get access to our interactive live alerts Telegram channel. And this is a Telegram channel where we're putting our trades in real time as we make them, but it's interactive. That's what makes it different. So you can ask us questions. We will chat back and forth during the day with all of our members. It's super, super incredible value. So do yourself a favor. Head over to Roguetrader.academy, join up, and we'll see you soon.